Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm TJ, the creative behind TJ's Magic Touch. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a few different ways to make budget-friendly graduation leis with the ribbon you can find at your local $1.25 tree. So here I am just showing you the different types of ribbon that they have, and you want to make sure that the rolls you grab are either the 5-yard rolls or the 6-yard rolls. I will say the 6-yard rolls are better because typically graduation leis are made with a minimum of 6 yards of ribbon per ribbon. Okay, so let's hop right into it. The first lei I am going to show you is a twisted open lei, which means the lei will not be a necklace. It'll be a style that is simply draped over the shoulders. So for a $5 twisted graduation lei, you will need 4 rolls of ribbon from $1.25 tree, and of course, quick math, $1.25 4 times is $5. So the first thing we're going to do is unwrap all of the ribbon because we are using one entire roll. Now remember, when it comes to $1.25 tree, all things are not created equal, no matter how much they say they are. So selling these I would not do or recommend for a number of reasons, such as the differences in length that you may find, not being able to find certain colors, and just not being able to get your hands on the material that you may possibly need when you need it. So to start out this lei, I'm going to lay all 4 ribbons flat together. I kind of rubbed to see what felt like the shiny side versus the dull side. I don't want to call this a double face satin ribbon, although I think it kind of is. There was still one side that did not feel as great as the other side to me, so that's what I did. Now to start this braid, even though all 4 pieces are laid together, I do it the way I start any military braid, with your simple 2 loops. So you loop your right ribbon, you loop your left ribbon, insert your right into the left, and then you are going to take your left ribbon and insert it into the right. This is a simple braid, and that is what I do this entire video. As I was saying earlier, this lei with $1.25 tree ribbon is not something that I would personally sell. Whenever I make and create graduation leis, I love to use the ribbon from PAPERMART, and if I am in a crunch, remember that, if I'm in a crunch or a bind, I will use the ribbon found at Michael's. Those are the 2 ribbons that I like. They're good quality ribbons. They just feel better to me, and for me, I just feel like they'll last longer. That is not to say that these leis will not make a really good, inexpensive, budget-friendly gift. Now, this little extra gap here at the bottom, that's perfectly okay because the lei is going to be left open. Or if you so choose to close the lei, that won't be an issue either, because you can simply tie the 2 ends together once you're done with your braids. Wish my fingers moved as fast, just little speedy fingers. Satin ribbon will stretch, I guess it's a good word to use. It will stretch, so it can be as long or as short as you want, and you can make it as tight or as loose as you want. Also, the look will change based on how tightly you do this braid. Now coming up to the end, when I see that my pieces are getting about to be finished, or I won't have any more ribbon left to braid, I will pull one side all the way through and just leave it in order to start on the next one. Once I finish one side, I go ahead and start the second side. So when I finish fighting with the ribbon, I do the same process of separating, because sometimes they get tangled while they're just sitting there. I don't know how, but I separate the ribbon and then I start the process the same. I loop one side, I loop the other side. I insert the right loop into the left loop, and I do that up until I run out of ribbon. Once I finish doing the braiding for the second braid, I start from the end that already has the knot in it, and I begin the process of just twisting them together. Again, this can be done as tightly or as loosely as you like. It just all depends on the look that you are going for. Now, when you get to the other end that does not have the knot in it, this is where I stack all 4 ribbons on top of each other and just loop them around to make a simple knot. At the ends of these, you can add wooden beads, you can add cutouts, you can cut and trim the ribbon. There are a lot of different options you have when working with these open leis. Here is a look at it from the front, I guess is what you call it. I did not trim the ends. I will not trim the ends, and you'll see why shortly. But that is something that you can do when you create this for the graduate in your life. Here is the look of the underside. I really do, even though Grosgrain is my favorite ribbon, I really do like the way the satin ribbon leis turn out. Coming back to this twisted lei, I'm going to show you how to turn this twisted lei into a braided lei, or if you just want to start with the braided lei altogether, you will need 6 rolls of satin ribbon instead of 4. So the process is the same with making your braid, starting with your right loop and your left loop. And what we will do, because we did start off with a twisted lei versus a braided, is we're just going to take the ends of the twisted lei, and then we're going to tie a knot into all 3 ribbons, and then we will braid all 3 braids together, making it one large braid. I hope that makes sense, but if not, you can definitely see what it is that I am doing on camera. Once you have it completed, you do the same as if you were making the twisted lei. You simply take all 6 ribbon ends and tie them together in a knot. Now, from knot to knot, this open lei measures at 50 inches. Here is the underside of it. This lei is long enough to where if you wanted it to be a necklace, you could actually tie both ends together and you'd still have really good length. Now I am going to show you everything I just showed you with the satin ribbon. I am going to show you with the grosgrain ribbon. The grosgrain ribbon is the same in width. It is 5/8 inch in width. However, it is a little bit shorter because it is 5 yards per ribbon instead of 6. Now when you're working on open leis, 5 yards is passable if you leave it open. However, if you make the decision to close the lei, i.e. tying the 2 ends together, they would work better for a pre-K, 5th grade, maybe even 8th grade graduation. It is not something that I would give to an older student, a high school senior, or even a college graduate, because the lei would be pretty short. And grosgrain does not stretch as much as what satin does, although I absolutely love the look and the brightness that you get whenever you make leis with grosgrain ribbon. So here the process is for making a open twisted lei with the grosgrain ribbon, and I will show you as well what a braided version of this would look like. If you made it this far, I definitely appreciate it. And something you'll know that others will not know from the title, or unless they fully read the description box down below, these 2 leis are a part of a giveaway. So if you like and want to win the red and cream one, hashtag cream saver, and if you want to win the blue and yellow one, hashtag lemon head. This giveaway is free to enter. It is no part related to YouTube. This is coming straight from me to you. You are allowed 2 entries per lei per person, and you must be a public subscriber in the United States with a physical address to enter. The second way to enter is to hashtag the candy that I named in the beginning of the video, if you remember that. So without anything else left to say, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, share, because sharing is caring, and I'll see you in the comments down below. Bye guys.